How to send money through Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can send money through Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Sending money through Cash App is very simple. Open up Cash App. Right from the home page, you can either scan someone's QR code to send the money from here, or what you can do is you can simply enter the dollars worth of money you want to send them manually, then tap the pay option. Then you can simply add their cash tag, their phone number or their email address if you have them. You can add a note. Then you can just tap the pay option over here, and once you tap the pay option, you'll be able to pay money to that particular person. This way you will be able to send money through Cash App. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.